Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today is going to be a first impression unboxing video on this practice hand, which is the more silicone realistic hand aside from this sturdy hard plastic one. This is great for beginners because it actually does hold on to the desk and it's also lengthy, but it's kind of hard, and we'll see how this one is. It's different, very different. This one has little fingertips and sometimes the fingertips come off. Very good practice hand, but let's unbox this. And this is actually gonna be a first impression. I have not opened it up, so we are going to get straight into it. And my first impression, you guys are all gonna see it. And thank you all so much for your patience. There will be more videos coming to our channel, so stay tuned for that. A lot of new products as well. And let's get to this unboxing and first impression. If you are not subscribed to our channel, definitely consider subscribing. And if you're here for the very first time, welcome. My name is Myra Vargas. I'm the owner and nail educator of Artistry Nails. So let's get to it. I'm super excited because I have not, whoa. Oh, it feels kind of weird already. Like I said, I have not opened it. I wanted to wait to show it to you guys. Okay, it's stuck in the back, but let's see. It got stuck in the back of the box. All right, so it comes with a same thing. I'm gonna assume that this is where we're gonna apply the table, hook to the table. And let's see, comes well packaged. Oh my goodness. This feels so weird, guys. OMG. Wow. Oh, wow. This looks just like a real hand. This is crazy. Hi, guys. So literally, like I seen that it came like bended, so I just removed it and it's so flexible. This is ridiculous, guys. Kind of scary because it looks just like a real hand. Oh my God. So I'm excited. Just because that means we're gonna be able to use it for our tutorials. So it does come with tips that we're gonna try on. And it comes with the clamp for the desk. Let me open this for you guys so we can put it on here. I'm super excited. Put everything away in the box. All right, so this, if I'm correct, goes in here and, oh no, this way. So the bottom portion where it has a little hole comes inside the clamp. We twist it to seal it, to keep it together pretty much. And then what we're gonna do, first of all, is I'm gonna unlatch this to make it easier to apply on the table. I'm super excited, guys. This is gonna be amazing for our tutorials and such. If you guys are not following us on Instagram, there's been a lot more content there now, so definitely consider following us on Instagram. All right, so it's on the table. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hook it on there. I'm super excited, guys. This is so cool. Okay, so let me turn it up a little bit more. Okay. So just a little, it's a little too short for me, I would say, but there's no, you can always get closer to the desk. And then let's see, we're gonna put it inside. Wow. And voila. Actually, it's perfect. We just have to tighten this up a little bit. But this is so cool because you can twist it. You can go like this. Wow. This is crazy. And then the tips, you just put them inside. Wow, this is so cool. Okay. I'm really liking this. And pretty much it has like the indentions. I'll show you guys in a little bit. It has indentions right here. I'll grab them now. So it has an indention in here so you guys can pretty much insert the nail, and it looks like this. Then you can work over it. So this is definitely worth the buy. You can purchase it on Amazon. That's where we got it from. And eventually, definitely Artistry Nails will carry these. So for the meantime, definitely get yourself one of these for practice, because practicing makes progress and you are never ever truly done learning. So look at this. I can't stop playing with this. But there was my unboxing video on this gorgeous hand. It's definitely an amazing practice hand. So that one will be used more for other things. Still gonna use it, but if you guys want more of a realistic feel and more flexible, this is the way to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing first impression video. Like I said, consider subscribing if you are a nail tech or just in general love watching videos regarding nails. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Till next time.